So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a disposal here at the kitchen sink. It's an American Standard 1.25 horse. We got it installed and installed fine, but in the functionality of it, it's causing a pretty extreme noise on startup. It goes away as it begins to cycle through, but on startup, it's got a hard clanking noise, and so we're not sure. That shouldn't be typical of any disposal, regardless of the manufacturer. We've never heard it before, but just to give you an idea. So you can hear that large banging. Homeowners picked this up at Costco. They're going to take it back, get a refund on that. We're going to bring out a Badger 5, a half horse, and get that installed for them. Outside of that, this installation is done. So we're still here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Badger 5 garbage disposal. It's half horse, right out of Ferguson. And we just dropped the old one and put a new one in. The American Standard that we had was making a loud clanking noise at startup only. And then it would spin free, but it just really sounded like metal hitting metal. And of course the homeowner wasn't happy with the sound as well. We turned it on multiple times and it didn't go away. So we just dropped it, and they're going to take it back to Costco, get a refund on that. This is what we install, typically the in-sink aerator, normally the 1/3 horsepower. This is the 1/2 horsepower. But same basic design, just more horsepower. And so we had to replace the flange as well, because the flange, we could have left it on there, but the flange that came with American Standard is a slightly different pattern. It's compatible with in-sink aerator, but they're going to bring it back, and we don't want to have parts in there from a different manufacturer, so that's good. Anyways, everything in here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.